how to clear Roblox cache in Windows 10 and 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear Roblox cache on Windows 10 and 11. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with a step 1. That is to close the Roblox app completely. So here, simply make sure to close the Roblox app and also make sure that it is not running on the background. And with that, we will move forward to the step 2. That is to open the Roblox cache folder. So here, simply type Windows plus R to open RON, and there you can simply type percentage local app data percentage, and after that you can simply type backward slash, and after that you can simply type Roblox and simply search for it and simply press on enter. And once you do that, it will open the local storage section. Now, here in this section, we will move forward to the step 3, that is to delete the cache files. So, here simply go to this local storage section, and now here in this section, you can simply select all, or you can simply go back and select this local storage and you can simply delete it, and this will remove all temporary Roblox cache data. And that's it. That's how you can clear Roblox cache on Windows 10 and 11. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.